Hi everyone, it's Kino here. Thanks so much for joining me on this practice. I'm on the beautiful Balearic island of Mallorca in Spain, and I'm going to share a very balancing practice with you that's good if you've just traveled or if you've had a stressful day and you just want to come back to yourself. So let's start off in a comfortable seated position. Close your eyes, bring your hands together. A long, conscious, deep breath in. As you exhale, let's softly open the eyes and rest your hands down. We begin with a long, deep breath in. As you exhale, just lightly lean over to the side and reach your arm up, and we can gaze either down or looking up to your hand. If the sun is a little bright like it is here, you can look down. We'll hold that just for maybe 2 more breaths and just really reach, reach, reach. Don't force the body, just keep it easy. Nice. Inhale, we come back to the center and we're gonna head on over to the other side. As you exhale, stretch that left hand down and inhale. Give it a big reach open. And again, we can gaze down or you can look up at that right hand and just kind of really feel the energy flowing through the body, looking nice, doing really well. Good, let's inhale and come on back into the center. Let's do some little shoulder rolls. I want you to lift the shoulders, roll it back. Lift the shoulders, roll it back. 2 more, lift the shoulders, roll it back. 1 more, good job. Okay, let's reverse direction. We're gonna lift and roll forward. Lift and roll forward. And as you do that, just feel any tension in the shoulders, just kind of melting away. Let's do 2 more times. Good. 1 more time. Big circle. Shake it on out. Good. Nice. All right, let's come on over to the hands and knees. We're gonna stay here on the hands and knees for a moment. You're gonna separate your hands to be shoulder width apart. Your knees gonna be hips width apart. And then I just want you to kind of roll and rock from side to side for a moment. Good job. Okay, let's do the movements called cat and cow. So inhale as you roll through the spine, a big breath in. Exhale as you round the back and tuck the tailbone under. 2 more times. Inhale, extend, long, deep breath in. Exhale, round. Let's tuck it all the way under. Let's go for the last time. Inhale, extend, a long, deep breath in. Exhale, round and under. Good job. Okay, we're gonna separate the knees a little bit. You're gonna exhale, sink it back, drop your forehead towards the ground, and we'll stay here in a wide child's pose for a couple breaths. Now, there are many ways to do this posture. I want you to tuck your tailbone a little bit to release the back for a couple breaths. So we stretch the back muscles and then exhale, soften down, which now gets more into our hip flexion. We'll do that 2 more times. So inhale, tuck it under. Give me a big tuck, 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 tuck. And then exhale, sink, sink, sink. Good job. Okay, let's do 1 more time. Tuck it under. Almost you can even lift your hips a little like I'm doing right now to accentuate that tuck. And then exhale, sink and release. Good, and just let it sink. 2 more breaths here. Give me 1 more breath. Feel your connection to the ground underneath you. Good job. Let's inhale, look up. Walk your hands a little bit forward, and I'm gonna say we're ready for downward facing dog. So let's curl those toes under and inhale on up to downward facing dog. Good job. You can bend the knee for a moment, 1 knee, and the other one. Straighten the legs and hang out here for about 5. So we've got 1. Deep breathing. 2. Work your downward dog. 3. Lift the kneecaps. 4. Almost there. Nice. Good work. 5. Let's switch the gaze forward. We're gonna walk in. Give me your feet. Want to be hips width apart? All right, that's good. Now let's take a soft bend in the knees. It's gonna help release your back muscles. Good job. Then let's layer your arms over each other and inhale. The hips move back and up. Good. I want you to just kind of swing it out for a moment. Let your forward bend start to happen. Don't worry about how deep you are. Just kind of take it easy. No force. Close the eyes. Let all the tension drain out of the body and connect into the ground underneath you. Nice. One more time, we're gonna bend the knees and then inhale, straighten again. Good. Relax. Keep it easy. Relax. Keep it easy. Might be challenging, but I want you to keep your attitude easy, okay? So the physical posture may be really hard, but I want your attitude to be easy, almost as though you tap into a space of peace and tranquility within. Okay, that was good. Let's bend the knees and just kind of spiral down so you can sink. You're gonna sink until the heels peel off the ground. You're gonna go into a squat with the heels off the ground, even if you can put the heels down. It's gonna stretch out the ankles if you've been traveling, wearing weird shoes. It's nice to get that deep stretch in the ankles. Good, we'll stay one more breath like this. So give me a big breath, release the head, release the neck. Good job. Then we're gonna lift the center of the head up. We're gonna stretch the toes, all right? Some of you are gonna be excited about that. Now we're gonna roll through the toes, rolling, 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 rolling. Nice. And just stay there, kind of bending, especially the big toe back. The big toe is a place where you can get a lot of tightness, even start to develop arthritis as we get older. So this small little stretch can help keep you walking safely. So we'll just hold this for 2 more breaths. Start to let it build, putting weight in the big toes, drawing the navel in. Good job, almost there. All right, nice. Let's press into the knees, point the feet, drop your knees in towards each other, and let's take the hands by the feet and keep the knees together and exhale, child's pose. Good job. Okay, we got 5 breaths here. So that's 1, 2, 3. Count your breaths. See if you can match my count so you can lengthen and extend the breath. This will help relax your nervous system. 4. Let's do 1 more. 5. Nice work. Inhale, let's lift the head up, and now we're going to do pigeon pose. So I want you to keep that right knee forward, and you're going to slide the left one back. We can do a closed knee pigeon, or you can kind of open a little bit more. So we're going to find your version of pigeon. I want you to just kind of roll through your hip a little bit. We're going to keep the knee closed, or at least I am. If you want to open it, you can. So we're just kind of rolling through the hip, a little side to side action happening. It's looking nice. Enjoy the view for a moment. What a beautiful view. What a blessing to be here. I'm glad you're sharing this with me. And it's hot and sweaty, and I hope you're getting a little bit of that Majorcan heat. All right, now we're gonna exhale and fold forward. Good. I'm gonna stay here for 5 deep breaths. All right, so we got 1, nice and easy. 2, keep breathing. 3, that's it, keep working. Relax your body more and more down. 4, nice, we'll do 1 more breath, that's really good. 5, inhale, we'll come on up, and we're gonna prepare to switch the sides. All right, so we hung out here for a few breaths. We're gonna curl the left toes under, slide the right knee back, slide the left knee forward. I want you to roll through the hip a little bit, side to side for a few moments. It's good, just like that. Excellent work, keep it breathing. Let's do like 1 more little roll. That's it. Okay, let's come on down and fold it forward. So you can take your forward fold however deeply you want, elevating the hips if that feels better for you. Let's stay for 5 breaths. So we got 1, nice work. 2, elongate the breath. 3, almost there, keep breathing. 4, good, we'll do 1 more. Big breath in. And a big breath out. Inhale, let's lift the head up, and we're gonna transition differently out of this one. So let's take the hands down. Try to walk those knees back, put the knees on the ground, and then roll forward to upward facing dog. Good job, that's upward dog. Soften the glutes for a moment and lift the chest up. Relax your sacrum and exhale back to downward facing dog. All right, that's good. Let's exhale and come on down to seated. From seated position, we're gonna do some deep breathing. So any comfortable seated position, extend the arms, place the tips of your index fingers into each other, and now I want you to breathe as powerfully and as deeply as possible. Here we go. Gaze at the tip of the nose or close the eyes. Long, deep breath in. Long, deep breath out. 4 more times. You can do it. Long, deep breath in. Long, deep breath out. 3 more times. Long, deep breath in. Long, deep breath out. 2 more times. Long, deep breath in. Long, deep breath out. Last one. Long, deep breath in. Long, deep breath out. Relax your body. Let's roll the spine down. So take your feet hips width apart and just roll the spine gently down. Constructive rest for a few moments. Then extend your arms and legs. Feel the ground underneath you. Let everything go. If it's too bright, you can always cover your face with something. A towel is usually a good idea, or you can turn the lights off, but I'm not going to be able to turn the lights off here because it's so beautiful and sunny. So just enjoy that for another few moments. Good job. Okay, let's reawaken. Inhale. Let's wiggle the body and just feel that balanced connection to the ground underneath you. Let's come on back to constructive rest. Feet hips width apart, knees spiraling in. Exhale, let's roll over onto the side. Come on back up. Good job. Okay, let's take your hands together. We're going to end with the holy vibration of Om. A deep breath in. Let it be like a prayer. Om. Thank you so much for joining me on this practice. May you be happy, may you be peaceful, may you be filled with love. Keep practicing. I'll see you on the mat again real soon. Namaste.